Top 5 budget cars for first-time buyers in 2025. Intro: buying your first car doesn't have to break the bank. We've handpicked 5 used models from 2023 to 2025, all priced under $20,000. These cars offer reliability, comfort, and safety, ideal for first-time buyers. Prices vary by location, so always check local listings. Let's start with number 5. Honda Civic 2023-2025. The Civic remains a top choice for dependability and resale value. It's efficient, sporty, and easy to maintain. You get modern tech, great fuel economy, and a comfortable ride, perfect for daily driving. Number 4. Toyota Corolla 2023-2025. Known for bulletproof reliability, the Corolla is practical and low cost to own. It offers smooth handling, solid mileage, and Toyota's reputation for longevity. A great pick if you want something simple yet dependable. Number 3. Mazda 3 2023-2025. Stylish and fun to drive, the Mazda 3 feels more premium than its price tag. With responsive steering and a refined interior, it's perfect for those who love driving but need everyday practicality too. Number 2. Hyundai Elantra 2023-2025. The Elantra offers sharp looks, great tech, and a long warranty. It's affordable, efficient, and packed with safety features. Ideal for new drivers who want value and modern design in one package. Number 1. Kia Forte 2023-2025. At the top of our list is the Kia Forte. With strong reliability, good mileage, and excellent features for the price, it delivers comfort, style, and peace of mind, all under $20,000.